Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on iPadOS 13 2024. To change the lock screen wallpaper, go to Settings, then Wallpaper, and here you can see my current wallpaper. I can either customize it or add a new wallpaper so I can switch between these wallpapers. I'm gonna add a new one, and you can choose a wallpaper from here or choose from Photos, create a photo shuffle, choose Live Photo, Emoji, and other ones. I'm gonna choose a wallpaper from here, or let's create emoji. Let's choose emoji, and now here you can type in your emojis. You want to add the wallpaper from 1 to 6 emojis. You can add them like that. You can change the color here. You can change the style of clock. You can change the style of the wallpaper. I'm gonna choose this one, and you can here add widgets. Let's add a few. And then you can click Add to add, and you can set it as wallpaper or customize home screen. I'm gonna customize home screen. And I'm just gonna blur out the home screen, then tap on Done. And this is my wallpaper. I can switch between them and set as current. This is my current wallpaper. So my home screen looks like this, and my lock screen like that. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.